You Rugrats.
You're so dead? This is, oh, you're in deep trouble now. Connor, tell Mom what you did. You're in so much trouble. Oh my God. What did you do? Don't do it again. You just tell Mommy. Tell Mommy what you did. Connor, what are you doing? What did you do? What did you do? Do you need to put yourself in timeout?
No.
Why? Why not? What did you do?
Hey.
What is that?
I don't want. I wait.
You wrote?
Yeah.
Why? That's not funny anymore. What's in your hair? What? What? Oh, you're being goofy. Connor, what is all that? Powder?
Yeah.
Why'd you put powder everywhere? Huh? No, don't do it again.
Oh man.
Oh man is right. You're in some deep trouble. You better go get a rag and start cleaning it up. Get a wipe. Give me a wipe out of that drawer. Oh, so you got it in the drawer too. I want you to clean off your bedspread. Clean off your bed. Clean off your bed. Turn around. Say you're sorry.
Hey.
Don't do it again. Yes, ma'am?